ओके, त्या मोमेंटला काय म्हणायचं, स्वे मोमेंट. So using or working out the moment distribution table, the moment we have calculated, these are the sway moment, and these sway moments are not the final moment that we have to want actual sway moment for the given frame. Final moment काय आहेत, we know the final moment, actual sway moment is given by the formula q by s into these sway moment. याला फॅक्टरनी मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे, and that factor is nothing but the q by s. okay, q we know, that is the actual sway force given in the numerical, that is 10 kilonewton. Next काय राहिलं, we have to find out the yes, it is the sway force, and that sway force, yes, it is given by ha plus hd. Means after working out the sway moment from the moment distribution table, we have to find out the horizontal reaction at a and horizontal reaction at d. So ha is equal to moment at A plus moment at B divided by height of column AB. Means MAB plus MBA divided by height of column AB. AB height is 2 meters. So that's why HA will be minus 0.866 kilonewton. Whereas HD, horizontal reaction at D, is given by MCD plus MDC divided by height of column CD. So we know height of column CD is given as 1 meter. So HD will be minus 4.089 kilonewton. So S will be summation of these two values, and that is minus 4.955 kilonewton. Okay. So whenever you are considering the ratio Q by S, consider the positive value. So yes, it is the positive value. Why? Because if you consider this is the HA and this is HD. So both the reaction, both the horizontal reaction acting on the left hand side. So to balance it, so there is a sway frame, there is a sway force is acting, and that sway force, it should act on the right hand side. समजता का बघा, दोन रिएक्शन जर लेफ्ट हँड साइडला ऍक्ट होत असतील, so to balance it, so to make structure as a stable and at rest condition, so due to the stiffness of the frame, so there is a sway force acting, and that sway force, it will act in the opposite direction of reaction. So that's why if both the reactions are acting in the left direction, so sway force, it will act on the opposite side, means on the right hand side. So that's why consider positive 4.955. okay, so Q by S ratio, what is Q, actual sway force given in the numerical, ते आहे 10, आणि S आपण फाइंड आउट केलं HA plus HD, ते आहे 4.955. So Q by S, this ratio or this fraction is 2.018. 2.018 means what? So to get the actual sway movement, we have to multiply with this fraction to these movements. So for these final MAB, so these movement multiply with 2.018. Q into S ज्या फ्रॅक्शन या प्रत्येक मोमेंटला आपल्याला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे. So if you multiply it with this fraction of Q by S, so this is the formula we are having. So these sway movements are nothing but these movements for each member. Okay, and Q by S fraction is 2.018. So final actual sway movement of MAB is, so this minus 0.906 into 2.018. So moment will be minus 1.828. So this is the final moment, actual sway moment for AB member or end A. Similarly for BA, minus 1.667, for BC plus 1.667, that of CB, it will be plus 2.815, and CD minus 2.815, and that of DC, it will be minus 5.436. Now these are the final movement. Okay, these are the required movement for the given member or for the given frame. After this, we have to plot the superimposed PMD. But here there are two parts. First part जो आहे to get the fixed end movement. So as the frame is pure sway frame, प्युअर sway frame असेल त्यावरती काहीच लोडिंग नसणार आहे बीम आणि कॉलम वरती. So we have to assume the ratio, or we have to consider the ratio of moment of inertia to the height of the column square. So using that ratio, assume the fixed end moment. Fixed end moment आपल्याला assume करायचे आहेत with respect to the ratio. That is one. Second, get the distribution factor using our usual fundamentals or usual funda. Find out the distribution factor. Third, in case of moment distribution table, fixed end moment will be 0 for the beams. Fixed end moment will be 0 for the beams, and work out the moment distribution table. And the final moment after working out the moment distribution table, these moments are the sway moment. Okay. In some books, it may given as column A moment because we are calculating these moment using the fixed end moment of the column. So that's why in some reference book, Theory of Structure by Ramamrutam, what they will mention, column A movement or the column movement they will mention. In some book यालाच column movement पण म्हणलेलं असेल. Now once you get this sway movement, then to find out the actual final movement, we have to find out the proportion, that is Q by S. Q, it is the load given in the numerical 10 kilonewton. S, it is the sway force, and that is summation of horizontal reaction at A and horizontal reaction at D. त्यात दोघांचं समेशन करायचं आहे आपल्याला. HA movement MAB plus MBA divided by height of column AB. HD movement at C, that is MCD plus MDC divided by height of column CD. So that you will get S. Once you get the S, find out the fraction Q by S and multiply this fraction to the sway movement to get the actual sway movement or the final movement. Next will be the superimposed BMD. That will be the homework. You have to plot the superimposed BMD. Now tell me, if you observe the first member AB, a column, first moment is minus 1.828 and second is minus 1.667. So what you have to conclude here? याची BMD कशी असेल? दोन्ही मोमेंट आहेत मायनस मायनस. Yes, I will give the hint. Here, this is AB. Okay, this is AB. This moment is minus. This is also minus. Minus means anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. So first option, second option, BMD for AB member. Third option, yes, कोणतं ऑप्शन असेल? BMD for AB column is. आठवते का बघा काय पॉइंट आहे? For a member, if end movements are acting in the same direction, then BMD will crosses the reference line. BMD will crosses the reference line. म्हणजे काय? For a member, if both the movements are anti-clockwise, minus minus. So in that case, BMD will crosses the reference line. BMD will crosses the reference line. एक राईटला असेल तर दुसरं लेफ्टला असेल. हे राईट लेफ्ट कशाने ठरवणार? Consider only one end, any one end, and give the unit rotation in that direction. So if you do so, what we get here? Minus means anti-clockwise. So unit rotation in anti-clockwise direction. After the unit rotation, this movement is going on the left hand side. हा जर लेफ्टला असेल तर ही कुठं असेल? राईटला असेल, like this. What is the point we have to remember? For a member, if both end movements are acting in the same direction, or positive or negative, BMD will crosses the reference line. Now tell me, what is the BMD for member BC? This is member BC. Yes. Lie on the same plane, or it will crosses the reference line. सांगा. for a beam BC, moments are positive, positive. So BMD, it will lie on the same plane or it will crosses the reference line. काय असेल? कोण सांगेल? यश, फॉर मेंबर BC, फॉर बीम BC मुवमेंट काय आहेत बघा, फायनल मुवमेंट पॉझिटिव्ह पॉझिटिव्ह आहेत. मग BMD काय असेल? एकाच प्लेन वरती असेल अशी का इट विल क्रॉसेस द रेफरन्स लाईन लाईक दिस. इट विल क्रॉसेस द रेफरन्स लाईन. दोन्हीपैकी काय असेल सांगा. दयानंद जाधव बोला. युनिट नंबर 1 मध्ये सांगितलं होतं, लिहून पण दिलं होतं. फॉर अ मेंबर इफ बोथ एंड मुवमेंट्स आर हॅव्हिंग सेम डायरेक्शन, क्षितिज देवधर काय चालू आहे? क्षितिज सांग. फॉर अ मेंबर इफ बोथ movements are acting in the same direction, BMD will crosses the reference line. Okay, these are the points. Now you have to draw the superimposed BMD for this particular numerical. So this is the conclusion of unit number 2. So for this unit number 2, we will discuss one more numerical in the next session, or we will revise all the points, and I will share the PPT right now. And all the sessions are uploaded on YouTube. If you miss any session, just go through the YouTube videos, and if you are having any doubt, you can call me or you can ask right now also. And the assignments, assignment 1 and assignment 2, you have to submit before 15th of September. I have shared both the assignment, and I will share PPT of this unit number 2 also on your WhatsApp group. Thank you.